What if I told you that this thing you can do in 5 minutes will guarantee you make 10x the amount of gains you're making right now? What if I told you that this thing only takes a fraction of the time, but it provides you with so much more benefits? What's this thing, you might be wondering? I know it's not clickbait, although it is kind of clickbait. That thing is stretching. Should you be stretching pre-workout or post-workout? That's one of the biggest debates that's going around fitness circles. You see people fighting, saying, no, stretching pre-workout reduces your performance. And people are saying, not stretching before you work out leads to injuries, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. Like, one of them isn't better than the other. Both of them work. Stretching pre-workout and post-workout should be part of your weightlifting routine. So before you start working out, you can do like a 5-minute dynamic warm-up, do your workouts, and then finish off with static stretching at the end. What this does is that it helps you get warmed up, limbered up, and ready to hit your workout. After the workout finishes, stretching post-workout helps you relax the muscles and help some of the lactic acid dissipate. So lactic acid is the thing that makes your muscles burn. If they stay in the muscles post-workout, chances of you being sore are a lot higher, or level of soreness you experience will be a lot higher because of the lactic acid. So to mitigate that, you can stretch post-workout to help some of that lactic acid dissipate and obviously increase your flexibility. So it does two things. It helps you recover faster, and secondly, it helps you improve your flexibility. Flexibility in this sense is how far your muscles or your joints can flex before they pop or tear. If you're stiff and your body is in a position where you can't move anymore, it's either your muscles tear or your joints will break or go out of position. But flexibility increases your range of motion. So if you find yourself in that position, it's not abnormal anymore, and it reduces the likelihood of getting injured because flexibility is increased, so you can move in a fuller range of motion without overloading your joints or your muscles. So it takes a couple of minutes post-workout, but the effects can be felt for hours after your workout and even years down the road. Because a big problem I find with people that have, either muscle imbalances where like one muscle hurts or one muscle is bigger than the other, or they had like back pain or shoulder pain or shit like that, it's usually due to muscle stiffness. And stretching after workouts, before workouts, in between the day, like random times in the day, is like a great way to improve flexibility and reduce muscle stiffness, thereby reducing your chance of getting injured. As far as the stretches go, I have a bunch of stretches you can do for all the muscle groups you might want to stretch. I have like a video series. I might like make a PDF and then make that downloadable in the description below. The benefits of stretching is 1, it improves flexibility. 2, it helps with recovery. 3, it prevents injury. 4, it increases your gains, because if you can move in a more efficient manner, you can load up the bar more, and that leads to more progressive overload over time. I know it's one of those things that's easy to neglect, but you shouldn't be neglecting it if your goal is to become the biggest, most badass version of yourself. So you can't let that go off to the side, because the effects carry over so much. And it's a great way to like relax and holla at shorties. So yeah, as far as stretches go, my recommendation would be to do like a 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minute dynamic warm up before the workout, then static stretching 5 to 10 minutes after the workout. And then if you find that you have a specific issue, like maybe like lower back tightness or hip impingement or whatever, you might want to start stretching more frequently just to help increase your flexibility and mitigate some of those problems you're experiencing. As far as individual stretches themselves go, I have a guide that I'll make available in the download section below. You can download that for free, check it out. There'll also be videos I'll make available, stretching videos. You can also check out on my channel. I'll make like a little playlist. Hopefully this video will help somebody, and if it does, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace.